Ladies and gentlemen, I am at Kasigui now. This is the 13th of December. Yesterday was the birthday of my old friend here, Miss Lucy.
Yeah.
And she continued to celebrate her birthday today, but the friends apparently gone home already. I'm late. But I come to document this magnificent yellow suspension bridge of Kasigui. Apparently, this has a long story. This has a long story. It was supposed to be repaired earlier during Warishan, but they say it was not done well. So they remove it again. It's repaired 2 times in the year 2020. So finally, they made this quite solid. They're using we call a steel plate here for the steps, and the fixing type is quite solid. Look at that. And the grills here is very safe looking, but why they choose the yellow color, I don't know. Yellow submarine maybe. Today is the 13th of December, as I said just now, and I'm going to document this bridge and to try to climb it up. Yellow suspension bridge. Yeah, they claim that it's gonna last 10 years, this kind of construction. Ooh. Oh, as usual, suspension bridge is shaky. Okay, now I'm on the top, and there was a light rain this afternoon, and there was news that Babagon River is overflowing, and as I cross this yellow suspension bridge, there seems to be another flood in the Mayog River. So here's a friend on the other side. And from the suspension bridge of Kasigui, the Mayog River is almost flooding. Madiud bago ito, Taminay?
Ha?
Madiud bago?
Oh, madiud bago.
No, kung di babago, nakahabay ka.
Kabay mo magagan?
Oh, gayo ka. Taiti na bago ito. Okay, I just go to the middle. Okay. But the flood water is quite hectic, and this is the Kasigui waterworks intake, which I don't think is being used very often, because the water quality is the raw water quality is simply dirty all the time, muddy most of the time, and if you try to pump that in, I think it's gonna require a lot of waterworks to clean up the river to be drinkable. So I doubt this. I never heard this waterwork intake Jabatan Air working since maybe this is the 11th flood of Mayog River in the year 2020. So much provision 2020, guys. Just look at it. Flood, but it hasn't overflowed yet. It's just reaching somebody's house there. Wow, they're having an Aramaitic session and the flood is just down below. Fancy that. How are you guys? I cannot focus on him. Yeah, and the flood is just about to overflow the house. Fantastic. That's the downstream of the Kasigui waterworks intake. Let's just have a look at upstream. But maybe, luckily, I think the rain has stopped upstream. But the mud flow is very muddy after a little rain. It's very scary at this Mayog. And probably full of germs, milidiosis, leptospirosis, and all that stuff. Okay guys, and I won't bother to go across the suspension bridge, but I must admit this was again repaired after the new GRS government took over, I heard. For a few months, just before the election, there was no bridge, but by December, they said it didn't take them long to fix this. But I say this is a real good quality. The best steel suspension bridge. Normally they use wooden plank there, but this is the way suspension bridge should be made, and it's way above the flood, and they claim this is going to last more than 10 years, maybe more, provided they keep painting and rust proofing the yellow paint, or maybe whether the yellow paint will last or not, you just go and repaint it. Very nice, guys, very nice. But I wonder how much is the peruntukan for this bridge. It's always a secret. Government project cost in this state is always seems to be secretive when it comes to the cost of project. Otherwise, you won't get your 10%, right, guys? So here you go. I'm going back to Kasigui, collect my vegetable from my good friend Lucy, who celebrated the birthday yesterday, and then have a second day today, but all the friends could not turn up because of they are all scared of COVID. So at least this kind of step is not very slippery. So, although the metal sheet is sharp, but what I think is stable. So very nice, very nice, very nice. Here come the yellow hanging bridge. No, the yellow suspension bridge of Kasigui. And my friend Lucy, happy birthday. She's gonna go home soon. Bye bye bye. He is famous. Oh, as you cross over the bridge,
Yes.
you can stop by and buy some vegetable from her garage or little shop. Goodbye, folks. That's it. Okay. Oh, you got another photo down below.
Yes.
Okay.